Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 47 from the Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, and today we learn about the epidermis. Gyan asks, Jigyasa Didi, how are plants able to protect themselves? And Jigyasa Didi reply, Gyan, plants have protective tissues for that purpose, and the entire surface of the plants is covered by that tissue, and their main function is to protect the parts of the plants. They are very supportive and they do the work of the protection like epidermis, stomata and core. So student, plants also have a protective tissue. We are human beings, we do our protection ourselves. But how the plants protect themselves? They are stationary, they can't move, they stand at a one place. So there are protective tissue, student, three types of tissue. First epidermis, second is cork and the last one is stomata. So let's discuss about these protective tissue. First one is our epidermis. All parts of the plant like flower, leaf, stem and the outer layers are covered by the epidermis. So student, epidermis is present in all parts like flower, leaf, stem. All parts have outer layer covered with this epidermis. Cells are flat and their cell wall is thicker. And the epidermis cell of the aerial part produce a layer known as cuticle, and the cuticle is made up of cutin, which is very waxy and water resistance, and it is found in desert plant. So student, if you can observe the desert plant, if you have cactus plant in your nearby places or at your home, then please observe the leaf of the cactus. If you touch the leaf of the cactus, it is very sticky and waxy like the candle wax. Why it is very waxy and very sticky? Because it is covered by the cutin, and this cutin is very waxy. It helps the leaf to prevent the loss of water. So student, in the desert plant, the water loss is controlled by the cutin layer. Next, what is the function? It provides the protection against loss of water, mechanical injury, invasion by parasite fungi. So students, what is the function of this waxy layer? First, it remove the loss of water. Second, it protect from injury. And the third, it also remove the attack of parasite and fungus. Cuticle also control the transpiration. It also control transpiration, means it minimize the water loss. They also present in the root hair. Student, epidermis when present in the roots, it increase the water absorption capacity by the roots. So there are many more functions of the epidermis due to which plant have exist or plant have protect itself. It is the best protective tissue ever. Second one is stomata. What is stomata, students? Stomata are the simply pores. Epidermal layer of leaves have tiny pores, and these tiny pores are called stomata. Student, these tiny pores are surrounded by bean-shaped cells. These are the bean-shaped cells, and these cells are called guard cell, and this is our stomata. And these cells are guard cell. They protect and they control the opening and closing of stomata. What is the function of stomata, students? It is very important to exchange the gases. It means stomata take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen to the atmosphere, and they also help in the transpiration. So these are the function and these are the location, and this is your answer of third question, student. You have to write both function and location. The answer of your first question, student, what have protective tissue, you have to write from there. And where they found? They are found at the every part of the plant. Second is write the functions of the epidermis. You have to write the functions of the epidermis, student. What are the functions of epidermis? So these are the functions of epidermis. This is the answer of your second question. Now we discuss about the cork, the last protective tissue. As the plant grow older, the tissue of the roots and stem become hard and convert into cork. So student, you see, when you plant, when you observe a plant, its stem is very soft, but when it become a tree, its stem cover with a hard layer that is called the bark. You observe the bark in the picture, and this produce the multi-layer outer covering, that is bark, and it is very sticky and hard. Why it is hard? Due to the deposition of suberin. So due to the suberin, that is a chemical produced by the tissue, it make our bark very hard and dead. And why? What is the function of that bark? It protect the plant from jerks and wounds. It is impervious to gases and water. So it remove the effect of the gas and the water, and it protect the plant from the jerks and wound. Let's move to the fourth question, student. This is the answer of our fourth question. Why the cork is hard? Due to the deposition of suberin. And what is the function of that? So you have to write the function and the suberin deposition. If you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light, and press the bell icon to get the updated notification of the worksheets. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.